This is a 2020 tax return, H&R block. Support for this year has likely ended, meaning online features won't work. You need the offline desktop software to access this file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify compatibility. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn T20 files. The initial data segments confirm the T20 is part of the data file repository. The specific version relies on the TurboTax Canada 2020 return requirements. Contains 2020 Canadian tax filing data, including the initial rollout of COVID-19 emergency response benefits and simplified work-from-home deductions. CRA-compliant schema. The file structure includes unique field identifiers for 2020 pandemic benefits. It is strictly version locked to the 2020 tax year software. The reference software for validating T20 integrity is TurboTax Canada 2020 from Intuit, Inc. Windows can show the file exists, but cannot perform color space correction or rendering. Windows displays only partial information, so correct interpretation must be done in the appropriate software. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your T20 file and choose Open With. Test TurboTax Canada 2020 first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. If your T20 file still refuses to open, stay calm. This T20 format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, install the correct software year. Canadian tax files use the TIEX format, where XX is the year. You must use the 2020 version of TurboTax Canada to open this file. Next, update the program. CRA tax rules are updated frequently. Ensure the software is patched to the latest version to avoid calculation errors. Finally, use PDF backup. If the T20 file cannot be opened, look for a PDF copy of the T1 general form saved on your computer. If testing all your local software still produces no results, the situation clearly calls for a professional utility. The final step is to deploy the tool that opens many resistant T20 files. Since we tried everything on the T20 format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Like the video if you want more file format fixes. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Look out for the next advanced guide.